have a mirror in here. That's nice. That's cute. Oh. Banana. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a first impression slash a review of makeup from Banana. Now first of all, this video was inspired by Dima Oma, a Nigerian YouTuber. She did one about Miniso Ghana, and I figured I could do one about this. I think I'm gonna do one for Miniso Ghana too. You guys should let me know in the comment section if you would like that. But today we're going to be doing a review test. Now Banana just recently opened in Ghana. I think they have a shop at the Accra Mall and one at Palace Mall. They just recently opened some shops in Ghana, and they actually have some cool DIY stuff. Like they have storage boxes, some earphones, like they have pretty cool stuff. And I also figured that they have a section for makeup. So today I'm gonna be doing a review slash a wear test to see if this makeup is worth it. So stay with me and let's dig in. Okay guys, so let's get right into it. Okay, so before I even start anything, I'm just gonna take you through some of the things I bought. Okay, so this is how it looks, and it's supposed to be for your brows. Yep. Okay, so I also got this, known as the Miss Vita Strong Lasting Foundation. This was the closest I could get to my shade, and it's just in Toffee Bright. So let's see how that goes as well. Then I got lipstick, and then sheer translucent satin powder. I know, they have it all. And then this one, I think I opened it and I lost the case, but on the case it said it was super soft. This doesn't look soft, but let's see. And then I also got the Dazzling palette. Oh my god, this was so pretty, so beautiful. Like it looks so pretty, so I just had to pick it. Oh shoot, I actually got two foundations. What was I thinking? I got a contour stick, and it says brightening, concealer, and highlighter. That was the only thing that was there. The one thing I hate about this brand is that you just go in there and then you see a bunch of stuff that says 10 cedis or whatever, and then you keep picking, and by the time you're done, it's like a lot. Anyway, I think I spent almost 300 cedis on everything, and I don't know why I kept buying stuff, you guys. But here's another one. It's a concealer and a bronzer. So I actually like the bronzer though. Oh, I'm sorry, but it smells funny. And the eyelashes. And it says they are rewearable. The products are from Miniso and Lat Leaf, I think that's the name. So obviously they are Chinese made products. They didn't have a primer and they didn't have brushes as well, so I couldn't try out those things. But I'm gonna be using my own brushes and probably some of my other things too. But let's start with the brows. Anyway, I'm just gonna go straight in and do my brows with these. It came with a small brush. I was thinking of using my own brush, but instead, let's go with this and see how it goes. I think I'm gonna use this one because it's a bit lighter, so let's see how it goes. Okay, this one doesn't do anything. Now let's use the darker one. Much better, right? This is not going well. I'm just gonna leave this tadpole here for now. This is too light to conceal my brows, but this is the only one they had. This was the only concealer they had. It's a bad idea. I know it. Like I can feel it in my guts that this is a bad idea. Now I'm gonna use their concealer to conceal my brows. Pray for me, okay? Tell you that I love you tonight. Wait. You all heard that. Don't skip it. You heard it. Okay, let's continue. Hopefully God will save us all. What in the name of Banana is going on here? I mean, don't get me wrong, I think this is actually someone's shade, but why the hell are you selling only these shades in a Ghanaian shop? It doesn't make sense. I'm not gonna lie, right now I'm so tempted to just like use my own concealer and everything and just do it, but we're sticking to it, you know? Do you guys see that?
Different colors.
Do you guys see that? Wait. Rewind. Okay. Ha! There's like orange up here, there's green in the middle, and there's like reddish. I want to understand. You guys, pray for my skin. What the? Eh? Ha! You guys. Okay. We've got this mirror. We've got this. I mean, I get the fact that it's not my shade, but why is it changing colors? Yeah. And it's not even blending. If I throw this on your head, it can break your head. And I'm not exaggerating. This is as stiff as... Concealer is so bad that even their own blender is not picking anything up. You guys see, I'm blending it, but there's nothing on the product. With the eyeshadow, I'm just... Oh my god, you guys, I feel like this is the best thing I chose. It was so beautiful. I couldn't resist. You guys, the eyeshadow. Damn. Okay, banana. For eyeshadow, I'm going to do something very simple. I'll be using this. I'll be using this, and then I would probably use this one to, you know, do the magic. This is not bad. Okay, banana, you got me here. Okay, I like this one. So let's just blend this a bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and add this beautiful, this anti right here, okay? What's going on here? Do you guys see it? It was so pigmented on my hand, but you know what? Let me see if adding concealer to it would. So this is supposed to be something simple. So with foundation, I'm gonna try this one first. This is Focus Nude. Definitely not my shade. Definitely not most African girls' shade. Definitely not. It actually looks darker than it does in the bottle. So you know what? There's no I'm gonna continue this. Like, okay, for transparency's sake, let's use this one, okay? The next one, the other one was, they're two completely different brands, but both from Banana. So let's try. This one had like 4 or 5 shades, and this was the closest one to my shade. And it was in. This is better, right? You guys, what do you think? This is way better. So it was at this point that she realized that banana. It was at this point that she realized that banana played her. What the hell is this? This was supposed to be closer to my shade, you guys. I mean, I don't know. I just feel like it's white, right? You know what? I'm just gonna clean this one and continue with this because this is closer. I mean, I want to cry. It's a super story. Why you gonna do this to me? Why you gonna play me like this? Moving on to concealer. Now this was the first one I used. I'm not going to use it anymore. I didn't actually realize that most of their products were like 2 in 1, because like I said, I was super excited. This is not gonna work. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is definitely not gonna work because it's not even close to my shade. It's not even close to anyone's shade. I don't know why they sell this. The first one was giving me green and yellow vibes, so let's see what this one will give me, okay? And this is the bronzer. Maybe the bronzer would actually be my shade. What do you think? No, the bronzer is not my shade either. I don't want to do it again. While I was shopping these looks, I saw a couple of women actually buying them as well. Unless they're going to film something like this, then they're in for a shock. Who this? Banana babe. Banana. Someone should tell Banana to stick to home stuff, because this is not nice. Banana, you played me. You guys, I've been blending this for like 10 minutes. Now this goes to tell all of you, those of you who use foundation shades 2 shades lighter than your skin, stop it. Okay, this is how y'all be looking. Y'all be scaring at. I didn't sign up for this. Okay, so now I'm gonna use. Oh, they have a mirror in here. That's nice. That's cute. Oh. Up close, I look like a monster. You guys, up close, it's changing color. It is changing color again. So I'm going to be using their sheer translucent setting powder. First of all, this is white as hell. This is chalk. It's complete chalk. And why is there shimmer in it? You guys, I think there's shimmer in it. Okay guys, so this feels like there's shimmer in it, but I'm not sure, so let's go. You guys, this is not setting powder. This is setting glitter. Setting chalk. 100% chalk with glitter. That is what this is. You know what? I cannot come and keep myself. I'm gonna add a bit of the Laura Mercier powder to salvage this. I'm disgracing my mother. I'm disgracing my father. You know, when I picked up this product, I didn't see this coming. The more the foundation sits, everything sits on your face, the more it starts doing Jackie Chan on its own. I was gonna say I'm not even mad, but I am. My 300 Ghana cedis just went out of the window. And to make it worse, my friend is not even talking to me. We made it this far. Ooh. So now we're going to eyelashes. First of all, this is not 3D. This is rubber stamp. Rubber. Can you hear? The lashes are terrible. I just won't do it again. I won't. Okay guys, so this brings us to the end of today's video. I look terrible. Words cannot express how terrible I look. As for these, like, I feel like I just wasted my money. The only thing I'll probably keep is this, because, you know, for shaky reasons. But the rest, very good. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I feel like companies like Nana and so on should not be selling makeup if they know very well that they're not gonna, put our shades in there. But if they are going to, at least they should try and make it look like our skin, I love products from Banana. They have like great storage bowls and so many amazing stuff. This is Ghana, okay? How are you gonna be selling products in Ghana and all these African countries without at least trying to get shades that are closer to them? It's the 21st century. Guys, stop that, okay? This is not how I plan to have this. This is not how this was supposed to go. I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe. It's necessary.